Good morning. This is Nalini, social scientist and psychologist. In today's topic, Light Up Your Life, we'll talk about mental health. First Mental Health Day started from 1992 by World Federation for Mental Health, celebrating every October 10th as Mental Health Day. Mental health refers to emotional, psychological, and well being, how people think, feel, behave. To bring awareness among the people, they gave importance to the mental health as a program. This the year 2021, by the president of World Federation for Mental Health announced as Unequal World. By observing the situation, they gave this aim to develop the people to bring awareness among the people. We got the problem between haves and have-nots. Throughout the world, we are observing all this. That's why they took this one as an aim. Every year, they're taking one topic to bring awareness among the people, like youth, the organizational stress, all these, they are giving priority to bring awareness. Mental health also faced by workplace, some birth disorders, with some other reasons also, there is a chance to get illness. Especially COVID situation giving more problems among the people. With that one, we are getting more cases in the society by facing the mental illness also. If we take the data by in the world by 2018, people are suffering with the anxiety, nearly 284 million in the world. Depression wise, 264 million people suffering. Substance use disorders, alcohol, 107 million people. Drugs, 71 million people are there. Like that, only bipolar disorders, maybe nearly 46 million. Schizophrenics, for 20 million people. Like that, only eating disorders, obsessive compulsive disorders, post traumatic disorders also giving chance to get the problems. They are unable to cope up to their normal life. That's why it is very important to bring awareness among the people on mental health. Is there any problem in the life? But it's not the failure of the personal one. So many reasons are there. It may be social situations, family, it may be working areas. So many problems we may face, but some of the problems easy to solve. In some other situations we may feel difficulty to solve, but in that moment some of the symptoms we can note. Most of the doctors says that for mental disorders, it has the reason with the physical roots also. Feeling sad or irritation, extreme high and low moods, extreme fear, anxiety or worry, withdrawal from friends and activities also some of these symptoms. Changes in eating or sleeping habits also. But in that moment, they can't concentrate on any work, they can't cope up with the day to day activities. Some of the symptoms of mental health disorders appear as physical problems also. By getting the situation, they are unable to take food as usual, to do the work uh, in time also, make them to failure. But if we think in a proper way, we can solve these problems as early as possible. If we see some of the problems in India related to mental health, Indians are facing health crisis by coronavirus pandemic. Nearly 63% facing developed depression symptoms during COVID-19 due to loneliness, social isolation, and some other restrictions. Before that, most of the people on different situations, they are meeting family members. Is there any special occasion? There is a chance to share their feelings with other members. By lack of all these, they are facing some depressive situation. Young people lost their jobs. With the lack of income, there is a situation to get some disturbance in their life also. Another one, education also disturbed. With that one, children unable to spend time with their same age group. It may be a entertainment, recreation also missed in uh, Indian society. Many doctors and nurses also we lost by the COVID situation, by their hard work, by their initiation. So they sacrificed their lives to safeguard the people who faced this serious situation by COVID-19 by doing the services to the public. We lost so many medical group also. National Crime Record Bureau of India, Indian mortality rate connected to suicide increased 381 daily in 2019. This was increased 3.4% from 2018. It shows that one how we are facing this one as a critical situation. In that way, it is very, very important to bring awareness on mental health. If we get any disturbance in our thoughts to bring happiness, if we implement some of the changes in our behavior, definitely we may get success in promoting of mental health. If we take the word mental health spelling, M, make your mind free from worries. E, educate yourself. Is there any worried topic? Try to avoid that one. Is there any right one? Try to choose. But don't think, spend more time on this one, giving excess worry. If you postpone that one, later you may get solution. N, negotiate your thoughts. What is the right one? What way I have to think all this? T, try to tolerate the painful events also. A, avoid pessimistic views. Is there any negative thoughts? It gives more chance to get excess worry, to get some disturbance in our life. So, if we delete some of these painful thoughts, we may feel free from this worry also. Try to think in a logical way, we may get a solution. H, so you can imagine happiest moments in your life to get some change in your thoughts. E, try to balance your emotions and don't avoid taking of food. Try to take nutritious food also. A, is there any failure? Try to accept that one. It's not your mistake. Some of the situations not cooperating to get solution. So try to avoid and choose another one to get right decision. L, lead your life with courage. It gives more strength to get good thoughts. We can solve our problems in our life. T means try to manage your time. If you go on thinking on wrong way, it is a waste of time. What is the right one? By logical thoughts, we may get a solution. Keeping your mind in a peaceful way, it gives more energy to get work to become normal also. H, try to be happy and by choosing some relaxation techniques, yoga, meditation. So whatever the relations gives you happy, try to maintain all these. Is there any irritating ideas, persons? Try to avoid them. So in that way, we can promote our mental health. It gives more happiness to become normal from the worries also. To promote mental health, if we focus on some of the points related to managing stress, regular exercise, good sleep, socialization, then other benefits, relaxation techniques, deep breathing, meditation are more useful. If we follow all these regularly, then we can get any psychological problem also. We may get some relaxation by following all these regularly. Don't hesitate to meet a psychologist if you face any problem. But if you postpone it, there is a chance to extreme the mental illness also. Then discipline. Another point also, it may be solving some puzzles, then doing other activities. It gives more energy to lead your life in a normal way. Another one also, it may be a problem to adjustment. If we take some of the members' suggestions by reading some good books, it may be some of the role models. It is giving some special guide to lead life in a comfortable way. So another one also, there is a chance to face some problems while working areas. If you cope up with some other points also, in what way I may get solution, even is there any failure, we should not be depressed. But failure is one of the milestone to get success. If we think any problem in a optimistic way, we may get a solution. First, you must trust on yourself. So this trust makes you to lead life in a comfortable way. We may get some peace of mind. If you have any doubt, you can visit my website http://nalinipilluru.psychologist.com. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.